In this video I'm going to show you a small demo about how my smart alarm works. So right now I'm parking my vehicle in my building parking. So what I'll do after powering off the vehicle and locking the same, I'll just put this small Bluetooth OBD hardware device in my OBD port, just right here below. Yeah, so it's fixed. Next I'll just power this on. This little beauty is Raspberry Pi, so I'll just power it up. So yes, I am going to just power it up. Now the burglar is not aware about all this setup, so next time when he comes in the car, he bypasses the door lock, he comes in and he starts the vehicle. This Raspberry Pi is programmed to detect this theft by whenever he ons this ignition, Raspberry Pi goes up. Right now I'm simulating it with a power backup, but in actual scenario it will run from the car power. So this Raspberry Pi goes up, this Bluetooth is on, so they will communicate with each other and it will pass on the information to the Raspberry Pi, which will create a ad hoc network which I have called car protection, and this Wi-Fi network will be detected at all the exit gates and even by police cars. So let us see now what happens when I get into this vehicle with this Bluetooth device on and try to take it through the exit gate. What happens when I reach the exit gate? Let's see. Parking as a burglar for me is bringing the car towards the exit gate. So I have placed a system near the laptop here in which my code is running. Okay. So I can see that it is detecting the messages and raising an alarm. And we can see this car protection Wi-Fi which it has connected, the one which is spawned by the car. So that's it. So in this case, because since it's a demo, he is able to pass the car, but in the real scenario he shouldn't.